आ गया तू? Fizzle to the shizzle, my man.
यारा? हाँ? पेपर किस नहीं कर रहा?
It's my first film to be shot in New York. I've studied here for 3.5 years, so it brings back a lot of good memories. I'm coming here after 8 years. We are shooting in Soho. This was actually the place where I used to do all my eating and my shopping and all the other bad things that every student does. But it's been great, you know, New York City, getting the vibe, the grays, because it's extremely cold. As you can see in the film also, we dressed for the winter. You can see people around us dressed for the winter. You know, you could see, lights and Christmas lights and carols and all of that. So that whole festive atmosphere, amongst the festive atmosphere, it's the whole recession time. So we're trying to capture that. Hopefully the audience will get it. Hopefully the audience will reciprocate to the film and like it.
God, if you're sitting like Paro, man.
Then you'll see my... Give me the box.
Are okay?
Yeah, I'm just in the tiger position, so it's good.
Tiger position.
Are you going to shoot me eating food? Can't do that, it's bad manners. What do I get into character? I stick to what's instinctive, spontaneous. Of course, I do my kind of homework, a little bit whatever I can. It's my job. But no, I'm not that serious an actor and I'm not that clued in, you know. Half the time I really don't know what the beep is going on. You just go with the flow, man. You follow your instincts.
Ready and... How? Ah,
Yeah.
Jallad photo yaar ye to.
Look at that. Huh? Study? Kahan the raat ko tu?
Oh, no, 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 no. I'll break my laptop. Okay, no, no, no. Shut that camera now.
पीछे से ये चल रहा है even if it is only chocolate. Hey, get out.
I've done an absolutely like real look what New Yorkers would wear. These down jackets, mufflers, earmuffs, that whole typical winter look which I don't think has really been captured so much in Hindi cinema yet because it's just the Christmas period, so it's like hardcore winter.
Go for it, New Yorker.
I need gloves, man, because if I fall, I'll die. I always have this little tool as an actor, you know, whenever I can't do something well enough, I try to make it as comic as possible, I try to make it as funny and as stupid as possible. More clumsy than more heroic, I think. So if people don't aspire to be like me on screen, they'll probably laugh with me on screen. And I think that works.
You can see what's happening, that's ice there. An actor, if he wants to shoot 3 o'clock in the morning in New York, he needs to love films.
Can you see me? I'm really cold. See the smoke coming?
Lightly.
It's extremely cold. Extremely difficult condition we are shooting. I hope it looks good.
Warmest place I've ever been.
You can use it as a picnic spot.
My mother's lap.
Cut to this right. तुमसे cut.
This is a scheduled wrap for me. Just finished my last shot in New York City. Happy coincidence that it's in Times Square. It's the essence of New York City. We did a very nice scene today. Really happy about it. Worked really hard. Froze our butt. But hopefully, you know what, the effort we put in, it comes through. And look forward to Las Vegas now. Las Vegas, here we come, baby.